Welcome to my video about the 8 best places to visit in France. With so many beautiful cities, charming villages and stunning landscapes, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why I've compiled a list of the top 8 must-visit places in France. Number 8, Paris. Of course, the most famous city in France is Paris. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the stunning Notre Dame Cathedral and the famous Louvre Museum, there is so much to see and do in the City of Love. Take a stroll along the Seine River, visit the charming cafes and enjoy the famous French cuisine. Number 7, Nice. Nice is a stunning coastal city located on the French Riviera. Known for its beautiful beaches, stunning architecture and vibrant culture, Nice is a must-visit for anyone traveling to France. Take a walk along the Promenade des Anglais, visit the Musée d'Art Moderne et d'Art Contemporain, and indulge in the local cuisine. Number 6, Marseille. Marseille is the second largest city in France and is known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, and stunning views of the Mediterranean. Visit the Basilique Notre Dame la Garde, explore the Calanques, and enjoy the local seafood cuisine. Number 5, Bordeaux. Bordeaux is a charming city located in southwestern France and is known for its rich wine culture. Visit the famous wine chateaus, enjoy a wine tasting tour, and explore the beautiful architecture of the city. Number 4. Lyon. Lyon is a city located in southeastern France and is known for its rich history and stunning architecture. Visit the Basilique Notre Dame Fourvière, enjoy the local cuisine, and explore the charming streets of the city. Number 3. Avignon. Avignon is a charming city located in southeastern France and is known for its rich history and stunning architecture. Visit the Palais des Papes, explore the charming streets of the city, and enjoy the local cuisine. Number 2. Monseigne. Monseigne is a stunning island located in northwestern France and is known for its stunning views and rich history. Visit the famous abbey, explore the charming village, and enjoy the local cuisine. Number 1. Strasbourg. Strasbourg is a city located in northeastern France and is known for its rich history and stunning architecture. Visit the stunning Cathedral of Notre Dame, explore the charming streets of the city, and enjoy the local cuisine. France is a country with so much to offer, from its stunning cities to its charming villages and beautiful landscapes. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply soaking up the local culture, there's something for everyone in France. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video about the 8 best places to visit in France.